I hate JK Seal. Wait, I know I steal car and crash to JK Seal's house, but I'm grounded and I cannot go outside. Wait, I know I teleport garage. Ada garage. Yay, mean garage. Holy, that's I forgot the keys! Wee! Incoming! Oh no, what was that sound? Oh my god, fire in my house! Yeah, house and fire. Oh no, JK Seal here. No, what did you do to my house?